Hindi na nila alam.
Lanay.
Hindi nga nila alam na ano, hindi kilala ni na mama pati papa na ngayon yung patay na.
When I'm 18, I will
Mag
look like a
18
young
kayo
person.
lahat, napatay na.
Lapit na mag-18 natin.
Lapit na next year.
Gonna be forever.
Or it's gonna
Pero
go
feeling ko pag mag 18 kayo,
down.
meron na ako dyan. Ready na kayo?
Na, hindi pa. Ate May, magsaselos kami.
22 na ako yan eh! Mag-18 ka ko!
Magta-20 ka pa lang!
Not. Mine was gonna be 20 before I'm 17.
Hello.
Nah! That's so...
So weird.
She's like...
She's not a
12.
teen
She's
anymore.
like 12.
Bagong nakaroon.
My mom.
But I like it.
My nanay. Mama.
Akala ko si kuya. I thought you were kuya. No, mama.
Christian, ano yung jacket?
Taba.
Tapos
Okay,
nag-18
both.
ka, tapos pagtitito ako. Tapos, kilala ka na yung tabi ko.
Hila, patay ang...
Tapos si Edward doon sa German. May girlfriend sila doon. Tapos si Yong, meron na rin.
Maria.
Tapos, hindi Marita.
Marita.
Dami yun.
Marita.
Gusto ko ako yung huli.
Oh, paano natin ka muna kay observe ka, di ba? Yan.
I want to be last. The last one. Kaya, walang pagsisihan.
Mine was gonna be like... someone in the village in La Union. She's
What?
nearly 90 years old now. Still a virgin. Because, you know, you don't do that before marriage. And she never got married, so she's still...
That's nice.
And I want to be different from other teens. Because you know, most of the things are not... I want
No,
to
like,
prove
una.
that I can.
This is for marriage. To marriage.
Only my husband.
Yeah, only my husband.
Kasi, nandun yun sa family plan na the biggest gift that you
yun
can
din.
give
Sabi
to
mo.
your beloved. Tapos ito pa, nasa family plan, nabasa ko. Kapag binigay mo na sa iba, tapos yung husband mo, ang first yung talagang aawayan, yung yan, kung bakit hindi ka na, bakit nawala. Kapag nagproblema kayo sa pera, yan yung panlaban niya sa'yo. Tapos emotionally, ayun. Tapos, kapag nagka-problema kayo sa mga baby, tapos kahit sa anong problema, ipapasok niya yung problema. Yun sa'yo. Kaya sobrang sakit. Kaya dapat talaga.
True.
Pero siguro, murag wala na. Ako gigayon na kaya akong ex-an, inana ra, ang inana ra.
Hindi.
Oo, marami pa,
Sorry.
diba?
Kasi di ba, alam mo na kasi paglabas mo.
No, langaw or
Hindi
lamok?
na.
No, lamok.
Iba na, di ba? Kaya siguro na mas nahihirapan si Ate May.
Sobra. Pero naisip ko mas worse pa yung kila Natay Nonong, kila Ate Alex.
Bakit?
Yung, kaya Tatay Nonong talaga, yung 3 years niya na magka-baby sa, iniwan siya, bigla, nawala na yung baby.
Ano nangyari sa baby?
Nakuha. Namatay. Andyan, nakunan. Buo na daw yung baby. Bigla nakunan, yun daw yung pinaka-hardest part. Tapos siniwalayan pa siya.
Sakit
Parang,
nun.
nawala na yung baby, pati yung mahal niya nawala na. Siya na.
Bakit?
Kaya
Anong
isipin
reason
mo,
kung bakit siya hiniwala yun?
hindi ko natandaan kasi marami siyang sinabi. Sinabi niya, kaya isipin mo na yung problema mo, meron pang mas nangangailangan. Yung parang, meron pang mas worse. Kaya, mas swerte ka pa rin. Ganun ko na. So, yun yun.
Pag makikita mo yung mas malaking problema ng ibang tao, ma-realize mo kung gaano
Gano'ng
ka swerte.
kaswerte. Gano'ng kaliit din sa'yo. Tapos,
Na mas maging thankful.
tsaka, oo, tas isipin ko rin na maraming nagdi-divorce na, may mga anak na sila. Tas,
Paano kung
nag-divorce.
nangyari
Paano
yun?
kung nangyari yun sa akin? Parang,
Mas mabuti na lang na ngayon pa lang.
pero alam ko, hindi madali talaga
Oo.
mag-move. As in, yun.
Natima. Yung kay Ate Ilis nga, 1 year lang.
Oo, ilang
Sa'yo
taon?
pa kay-
17, 18, 19, 20. So, 3 years siya bago nanap niya si Kuya Makoy. Pero may dalawang ka-date siya, pero hindi niya type. Pero feel ko, in love din si Ate Ilis nung nandito si Kuya Makoy. Kasi kahit inaasar na siya Kuya Makoy, parang kinikilig siya, tapos yung siya yung nagpunit dito sa pantalon ni Kuya Makoy. Tapos Kuya Makoy, oy, walang ligo yan. Tapos 3 araw na yan, walang ligo. Siya na, parang alam na nila yung isa. Tapos, nasabi nga ni Kuya Makoy, doon ako na violation nung sa outside world. Nagtatanong sa outside world. Kasi, sinabi niya na, yung kakao talk, parang ganon. Parati silang, everyday sila communicate. Tapos FaceTime siguro. Ano yung FaceTime? Uy,
Sa Apple.
ay
Video
Apple
call.
lang, di. Na hindi
Video call.
Video ko.
Apple.
Raspberry. Make both.
Anong FaceTime? Ano?
Sa Paul I lang yan, di ba? Ay, Paul A.
Parang video call.
Ay, sa pull up lang.
Tapos
Kapag
ano
may
siya,
load-
pull up to pull up
Internet
What? Internet?
or data.
or data. Or 3G kung sa pull up.
3G.
3G kung sa 4G.
Hindi mo kaya kung hindi ko kasi alam yung pull up eh. Parang feel ko ang hirap. Tapos,
Mahirap yung Apple, tapos marami siya mga kulikot-kulikot, pero pag once natutunan mo na siya, okay na siya.
Mahirap pag first, pag hindi mo pa alam.
Kasi dati nag-experiment ako dyan sa Paul, na ano ko yung isa kong kaibigan. Kasi pinapaayos niya sa akin, gano'n. Tapos naayos ko rin. Kulikot-kulikot.
Kilala mo na yung phone mo, ganyan.
Sa ano ko nga,
Wala.
kay Joe, iPhone.
Pag nagsasmile si Ate Ilis, parang
Cellphone mo?
ngiting in love.
Mm. Oo nga, no? Ang magalang nga, paminsan mahirap
Siguro.
rin.
Sa lahat ng ano, yung
ano?
Hindi ko pa na-try.
picture ko lahat sa phone na yun. Yung ganda ba? Ako
Yung
lahat.
magalang, mahirap rin siya paminsan. Pag, halimbawa, nasanay ka na sa phone mo, bored ka na, ikulikot mo siya. Kung yung mga ano, kailangan mo yung mga IP address, ganyan, mahirap siya. Yung po, kasi nga parang Paul-A siya. Parang siya yung class A ng phone I. Kasi same sila na ano, American brand. Kaya, pero maganda ang ang magalang kasi cheap siya pati. Yung parang sulit yung pera po pagbili ng ano po. Pero ang pinakamahal yung ano ba yan? Yung basta ano yun? Kalimutan ko. Parang 20 plus 13 ganun. Parang Rio something.
Matawag ka na.
Ganda nito. Parang may mga...
Parang, basta ang ganda.
Ako din type ko to.
Simple.
Eduardo!
Yung ibang Von Dutch, mas type ko to kasi less yung design.
Ang ganda ng dots.
Yun
Hindi sobra-sobra.
Parang hindi ano yung
Parang waterproof.
wala na tayong bag.
Ano kasi, unique siya eh. Tapos, ang ganda tingnan.
Parang rugged, pero at the same time classy.
Oo.
Ano yung cloth niya kasi.
Just comfortable yung tela.
Ay, swerte yan na to eh. Gura man niyatag.
Dugdug po eh.
Yung dalawang pantalon ko, mga 10 years na yun eh. Ay, yung faded, ano yun sa ukay-ukay. Tapos yung isa, lagay sa ano, kasi kailangan ng black jeans na choir. Ano yun? 200. Basta, yung parang, yun na lang yung parating pinapalit-palit. Tapos biglang bondage. Ba't ibang klase?
Pieces.
Pumunta ka.
Pumunta ka, pumasok. Pumunta ka na sa cafe shop ka pumasok.
Pumasok. Di ba pumasok yung parating?
Wala pa.
Anong wala pa?
Pumunta ka.
Di ba galing ka rin sa confession? Ano sabi ni kuya? Ano sabihin?
Edward, pumasok ka ng confession.
So yung tapos na?
Milk!
Hot? That's it, hot? Cold.
Edward. Yeah, Edward.
It's like a drink that they haven't drank.
Try.
Ay, katag mga nasa TV, mga American kapag movie. Hey, what's your Tapos ako,
Kumain. Ano?
sarap.
Babe, alam kong gusto mo.
Masarap.
Ano to?
It's raspberry. It's only raspberry.
Siyempre, masarap to eh.
Masarap lahat.
Green tea.
It's mixed.
Yeah, green tea.
It's raspberry and apple.
Klaro eh. Sarap.
Nakakaano yung sunggo.
Sunggo.
Depende sa accent. Mas maganda yung accent na American kasi clear. Ano nga yung kinakain yung ano?
British.
Ay, British.
Comment
Meron pa yung kinakain talaga yun.
Australian?
Parang yan, Australian. Sobrang,
and nice.
parang Australian kasi
You
they don't have to go to Australia.
Australians, they're really confident.
The
You know, like,
one
for
Is that you?
Filipinos, something that's really common is like being gentle, being kind, even if you don't have much. That's like a common trait, putting other people first. In Australia, they also have that, but they're really kind, and they're really confident as well. Full Australians. There's all the Australians that have come to our school. They're like, yeah, they never say that they can't do something, and they can do it. They're really good at a lot of things. Australians.
Wow.
You know, a guy from Australia. We had to do, what's it called? Rugby in sport. You know rugby? He never played rugby in his life. And he said, yeah, I'll be team captain. Then he asked the coach, coach, explain to me the rules. I was like, you don't know the rules? It's like, no, why would I know the rules? So the coach explained him the rules. He led the team and we won. We won in a tournament against, and the guy who leading us, we didn't even know until the end that he didn't even know how to play rugby.
What's rugby?
You know, American football.
Yung pa,
Like it's a
yung
white
brown
ball.
na
It's a
bola.
bigger, and you pass it like that.
The
Pass
brown
it like
ball.
that. No, the white ball. It's like, all right, like usually rugby players are really, really muscular, and it's like a little bit like American football. They have the posts like that, you know, like the fork, on either side, and it's a big field, and all the men all on one team line up here, and then line up here, and then they kick the ball to each other, and then they have to try and get past each other and to the.
He's
It's like you
smart.
have the touchdown.
He's very smart.
He's not the smartest in school, but like strategies and tactics, he's in sports. He's really good. So
He didn't
like,
know how to do
he
that.
didn't
but
know how to play. The first day, he said, like the first day of training, coach said, okay, guys, we have to play rugby. We have to play against 2 other schools, and if we win, then we can participate in another sport. Like it's another sport, a type of sport. It's like a all-round competition. And so I didn't do the competition in the end because I had to play. I had to do it, acting. And but first day he said, I don't know how to play. To the coach taught him the rules. Like you can't pass backwards. You can only pass forwards and to the left and to the sides. And so he's really tall. He's like imagine my head on top of Marco. That's how tall he is. And then so his legs are long, and he's actually a sprinter. So he looks thin, but when you look, it's a lot of muscles, like compact muscles. And he's there running. Every step is like one here, one step, really big. And Australia, full Australia.
You won?
But it was only 2 matches, but still, never played rugby before.
Yeah, and
Team
then,
captain told the tactics. He said, this is what we're going to do. And for like the weeks leading up, he said he watched videos on YouTube.
oh my
Like
gosh.
tactics. And I said,
Wow, Australian.
Mm.
Gusto.
Sa una ba,
He has
ganahan
the
ko
accent.
Australia.
Yeah.
Australia.
Ganahan kong migrate.
crocodile.
Yan na.
Kinakain nila yung... gusto ko yung mga... makatuluyan ko yung mga ganun. Pero di kami kakaintindihan. Bahala ka sa buhay.
You can't understand Australian accent. Australia.
Australia.
Do Australian accent.
For my...
Well, on the first day I came into this house, it was
Na!
wonderful.
Ayoko na! Ayoko. I
Again, again,
like
again.
them because they are handsome and
that's a
pretty.
kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Ah.
Kangaroo. I can't do it that well.
And right beside it's a wallaby.
No, parang ano yun
That's more
talaga.
Ay, uy! Ayoko talaga yan sa TV. Mag-movie ako. What's your
Kangaroo.
Australia.
Australia.
I'm stronger.
Wallaby.
Yung sa Dimension, yung sinabi ko.
It's a lion.
It's lion.
No, but you know MasterChef Australia. I watched that all the time.
Australia. It's a chef.
Heston Blumenthal.
Parang nangangarap ko na makaka-Amerikano.
One day I'm gonna go to Heston Blumenthal's restaurant.
Hindi kayo makaintindihan, wala.
It's crazy expensive.
Tapos ayoko yung
but
mabigat
that's
sa
my
utak ko
dream
na
for a long time.
mag-ano. Yee!
My dream is to cook in it.
Bahala ka
My
dyan.
dream's to eat it, man.
Ba, parang,
I want, like, you know,
May
because he
teacher
comes out
ako.
and it's
Sinabi
really every
niya,
customer shakes their hand like that. I enjoy it, you know. Comes out.
as much as possible,
Nah!
kung pipili ka daw ng magiging pangasawa mo, dapat
Mother,
No!
Pinoy
Christian, that
talaga.
is rank!
yung may Pinoy.
man, that's nasty.
Tapos, kung na bakit naman ma'am? Kasi,
Christian!
grabe magmahal ng Pinoy. Ganun ko.
That is indecent.
Tapos,
Nah!
yun,
Kuya!
tapos alam nila yung
Oh, stop!
malagain sila. Kasi ang mga
Iba yung
ano,
culture.
yung peer talaga sa kanila, parang kung ikaw nagko-commit and may commitment na kayo, communication na kayo, di ka niya iti-text, matatawagin. Kasi alam niya na kayo eh. Parang ganun. Kasi naranasan niya ng ng kano-kano. Tapos, biglang iiwan ka sa ere. pero kasi,
Pero sa kanila, normal lang.
normal lang. Pero sa atin, di ba, parang, sagit lang kasi. Sige.
babe.
Ew! Christian! Christian! Luudo! Uy!
Saying that you're so handsome.
Ano yan?
Kugbuti, may.
Uy, ayaw mo.
Na diri oh.
This Chan. Yuck! Chan.
Christian! Wag, si
Pakita
CR.
kayo. Ipakita kayo.
Kulangot mo.
Christian, do. Iyan na dito sa basurahan, be. Budki ka dyan.
Ma!
Iyan na dito ba? Panghugas dito.
Ma!
Galulod mo ni nga bata ni.
It's in your pants.
No, it's in your finger.
You sure?
If you really did, bro.
Look at your pants.
Nah.
Look at your pants.
Hell no. Did you really do that?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Bro,
Stand.
what? Nah.
Stand da, stand.
No, no. No.
Hell no.
No, man, that's my second pair of pants. Come on. Von Dutch gave me this pair of pants. That has Christian diabolical DNA on it.
But look.
O hindi doon ba?
Break.
CR na.
Bakit?
Hell no.
Si Edward ba? No, I'm gonna rebel. I will not stand.
Hell no.
I will not stand, man.
CR na ako eh.
Bundas niya tayo na ng bundas
Laina,
eh.
kayo ka dili sa...
I'm not gonna stand, man. This is bondage, man.
Ano
Please
nangyari?
don't lie.
Timay, ano daw nangyari?
Timay.
Timay. Ano daw nangyari?
No.
Timay. Ano daw nangyari?
Sabi,
Kulangot.
Ingnan, Timay. Wait lang, para ready ka.
No.
Hindi, wala. Para ready ka. Hindi, seryoso, sasabihin sa'yo na, Timay.
May isang babae, inawakan yung kulangot.
Tapos,
saan yung kulangot mo? Uy. Sobrang
Yung
laki.
pangalan, si
Ayun,
Kisses.
laki. Tapos, hawak-hawak mo yung kamay.
Christian, oh shit.
Edward. Sabi niya, sabi
Do it
niya.
again, practice. Oh, reenaction. Christian, do it again.
Sige. Reaction.
Nah, man. No, man.
Akala niya na nasa pants niya na.
You didn't actually. Did you actually do it?
Yeah.
Did you actually do it?
Yeah, seriously.
Man, this is my favorite pair of
Ganun
pants,
talaga
man.
Justin.
Von Dutch gave me this pants.
Yeah, Bondas give it to me. Christian. Tapos sabi ni Christian,
Andito yung kulangot ko at yung ginagawa ko niya. Meron pa ba?
kaninang kulangot?
hey, hugas ka ng kamay mo na.
Kisses.
Dyan.
Hawak na hawak.
Inawakan ng kulangot ba?
Ay, Christian!
Nah.
Na, susuotin niya na
Ano
naman.
to? Kulangot?
Sasabihin niya na naman na binigay ko sa
Guys!
kanya.
Nah. Tain ng daga.
Dahil ng daga. Ang tayo ng daga.
Diyan, oh.
Knowing Christian is probably his poop.
Uy, you haven't seen my poop. That's why I'm having difficulty flushing it.
Nah. Ah! Rank! Rokos! Diabolic.
Hell no. Hell no.
Oh, come on.
One condo.
My God, yes. My God.
One condo. You.
Lamok.
Lamok.
Ale.
Lolo.
Tabucho.
Akin na ang necklace ko.
Hindi
Necklace
ko na
ko.
kayo kukunin nila.
Wag na, hindi na ako naniniwala
Cover
dyan.
me,
Baka
cover.
tapos mo, asan na yung bracelet ko? Asan?
Cover with you.
Sabi mo, ipaano mo sa akin, ipakip.
Joke, ayoko na ano. May sugar.
Sugar.
Ano yung sabi mo? Ano nangyari?
Tingnan ba sabihin?
Pero, kasali kami?
Isali kami.
Bawal. Pagalitan ng patawagin na naman ako ni Kuya sa
Ako di pagalitan din ako.
na
Just kidding. Ayo.
Put your knee on my ball.
Nah, lagot. 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 Ouch. Ouch.
Yeah, I almost heard my children screaming, "Daddy, Daddy, why?"
Kuya, why is the 7th flight not on? And,
Hello? Come on.
yeah, can we have the 7th flight on?
It was a big, big world.
Copyright. Copyright.
Napatay na. Hell no.
Hell no.
Oh, hell no.
parang kanta.
Christian, did you do it? Did you actually do it?
Hell no. Oh no. Hell no. Sayang, di ako makaligo ng
Masarap din pala higaan yung pet mo. May laman din pala.
Nice. Kuya.
Bugs, 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 bugs. Bugs, bugs, bugs.
Nice, my tenga.
Alam mo
Happy.
bang kakatae ko? Joke lang.
Play po tayo.
Na. Tapos.
Init. Hindi, bawal ako. Joke ko lang yun.
Bawal ka dun.
Paglabas mo sa pool, bingi ka na.
Ano mga nangyayari?
Guys, ba't ang
Bakit?
tahimik niyo?
Tapos italikod
Hey,
tayo.
guys,
Di ba
did you
tayo-
hear that? That was a quality joke.
Sabi,
No
It's all in Tagalog. I was so proud.
You understood?
No, what I said to Young, Young said he's not allowed to swim in the pool. I said, me too. He said, why? I said, bakit ang puso ko?
Sakit yung puso.
See, I said it in Tagalog, but it was a bad joke, but it was in Tagalog. Yes?
kapag naligo si yung naligo si yung.
Anong sinabi niyo?
Tapos,
Ulitin niyo.
Pag gano'n niya, pag lalo tapos nakatalikod tayo tapos sabi niya, oh, ba't ang timing niya?
Oh my gosh, breathe, Mama, breathe! Breathe! Breathe, damn it, breathe!
Laway ko.
Ay, laway, bye.
Young,
Put it on
pag
kisses.
manigo ka sa pool,
Yung wanted to swim in the swimming pool and then he's not allowed because of his ear, but he is hard-headed. He goes, shoo. And then, oh guys, were you silent? And we go like that. And
he's deaf already.
and then
When he goes out to the pool, he's deaf already. Guys, are you silent?
and then we're like that.
Sige, sige na.
Sige, ligo ka!
Sige, sige, sige.
Ligo
Well,
ka!
yeah.
Ano kuya na yung nangyayari? Ay. Napatay na.
Ah!
Bini ba? Bini.
Turn around.
Tapos yung...
Ang deaf naririnig yung sinasalita.
Oo. Oo.
Oo. Hindi narinig ko sa
Hello?
likod.
Guys! Ano nangyari?
Hindi.
Tahimik niyo.
Yung be like. Yung be like.
Sa MMK talaga. May cancer yung kuya niya.
Nakita ko yun in concert.
Dalawa sila magkakapatid. Brothers
Yun ba?
sila.
Sino yung bida dito?
Yung ka-partner ni Kay Abad noon. Basta. Tapos, pagising niya, Nay, wala akong na yung ilaw. Ayan. Sina, Nay, yung ilaw nga. Nagkaon na yung ilaw. Nay, wala akong makita. Nay, yung ilaw nga. Nay! Bulag na siya.
Bulag.
Oo, parang,
Biglaan, wala siyang sakit dati sa mata.
hindi, cancer sa...
Cancer. So,
Nagkaka-affect din sa mata.
Oo.
Wala din na siya makita. Hanggang sa matay siya.
tapos, pagkatapos ng MMK, pagkatapos,
Tapos wala pa silang...
yung,
Jesus, balik ka naman.
lyrics at saka,
Oh, no.
kwento. Maganda mga kwento ng MMK. Ano?
Ganda yung mga may cancer. Yung si Sanjo Maruda tsaka si Dimple. Kaya
Oo.
si Dimple,
Dimple.
sobrang nasaktan ako kasi mag-asawa sila. Tapos, kapag natutulog sila, parati nag-snortong si Sanjo. Siya, ano ba, be? Bakit, ano ba, pang? Ano gan? Bakit ka ba, iniingay mo eh? Tapos yung nalaman yung may cancer na Sanjo. Tapos, nakagano na lang siya. Parang 50-50 na talaga. Tapos sinabi nila hindi ko, sana mag-snore ka na lang palagi. Tatanggapin ko pa. I miss you pa. Ganun kasi, ganun na siya. Nakakaiyak.
Wala mo dati nung hindi ako busy, every MMK pinapanood ko talaga. Kasi ang ganda.
Noon,
Hindi
Ano
sila
yung hagok?
nauubusan ng stories.
ano yung sa Tagalog? Ang gani, nakalimot ko ba eh? Parati ka pa lang nag-snore noon. Ngayon, tatanggapin ko yung basta ano ka lang, gumising ka lang. Parang sobrang sakit. Kasi parang may cancer. Ay, masakit naman ba eh?
Lasing kayo.
Kasi naman di ko na maririnig yung snore mo.
Ang
Parang
liit ng
maiiyak
pupo
ka.
sa pinky. Magbuo ang kadako.
Saan?
Wala.
Na.